Ready for some magic?
Children dream of magic and balloons. What if the magic could create the balloon? It's not just a trick, it's the magic of innovation.
Now, for the real magic.
With Sweet Robo's Balloon Bot, dreams and magic become reality. Watch the Balloon Bot in action. Select from 6 magical designs, and in just 30 seconds, the chosen balloon comes to life. As the balloon completes, it drops into the collection window with a stick. Attach the stick and wave it to enjoy the bell inside. With the Balloon Bot, everyone can experience the joy and wonder of magic, creating unforgettable moments of happiness. Our selection includes a wide variety of designs such as popular animals, beloved characters, dinosaurs, space themes, birthday celebrations, various wishes, expressions of love, cool vehicles, and much more that appeals to children, teens, and all ages. We also offer custom design services to perfectly match your business theme.
Our Balloon Bot is the pinnacle of innovation in entertainment technology. By combining advanced robotics with creative design, we have crafted a machine that brings joy and magic to the world. Watch your profits inflate as magic fills the air.
Sweet Robo's Balloon Bot, where dreams, magic, and happiness come to life.